that are really good now.
That's part of your
laundry too.
I'm dying to play with this, Emily.
Hi, Zach.
Take a picture, Mom, Daddy.
I got the video going. You want to say anything? You want to say happy birthday, Emily?
Happy birthday, Emily.
Wow, Emily, look at that.
Hey.
Make it go. Watch out, Zach. Move your feet. There you go. There you go. She's shopping. She's shopping. Oh, yeah.
What are you shopping for?
Get some groceries.
And look what else, Emily. Look what else, lots of
Get
Pampers. You can have
Oops.
These are iron.